Keep sweeping. Got it. Looks pretty solid. Yeah. Barnacles are holding fast. The keel section is clear. I'm checking the lifting lug now. Verified. Strap is through?
Yeah.
Okay, connect and tighten slowly. Verified. It's secure. Keep it slow. Adjustments holding. Steady, steady. Tension is good.
Hold, steady, slowly, lower now, watch the port side, hold, stop, that's it.
Keep it steady, slowly now. Copy that, bringing her in easy. Watch the port side. Okay, holding position.
Keep it steady, slow down, lower, easy does it, contact, solid, okay, stable. Keep it steady, watch that line, roger that, lowering it slow, check the stern cables, verified, it's secure. Keep it steady there. Focus on the lower hull first.
Watch the drip.
Watch the drip. Copy that.
Keep the pressure steady. We're almost through the tough spots. Okay, I'm focusing on the periscopes now. Watch the mark R17. Let me brush it gently. Keep the pressure steady on the starboard prop. Clearing the algae now. Watch the recoil. Keep the pressure steady on the bow. We're almost done with this side of the propeller. Need more coverage on the tail section.
The gauge is showing thinning here. All right, I'll mark this one with a larger boundary. Keep the light steady there. Okay, I got it. See that clean patch? Good work. Move to the next marked section. Keep it steady there. Just a bit more. That looks good. Aligning the panel now. Keep it steady. Watch the edges. Slow and easy. Okay, let's lift it away. Clear the area. Keep sanding that patch. Adjust the pressure. Blow that dust off. I found a spot right here. Let me see. Just a small imperfection, okay? I'll smooth it out. Perfect, nice and even. Keep it steady along the line. Roger that. Make sure it's even. Looking good. Keep it steady. Slowly. Left a bit. Good. Looks aligned. Tightening the nuts. Подавай. Медленно. Осторожно. Готово. Готово. На месте. Keep it steady. Tighten the railing here. Cover secured. Align the antenna perfectly. Periscope is clear. Paint the R17 markings now. Check the ropes one more time.
The hull finish is flawless.
Tightening the last mount now.
Looks good from here.
Hold it! Engaging jack. Check the tension. Clear the space. Slowly down.
Almost there. She's breaking free. Steady now, steady. We did it. Look at her, she's beautiful. The work on R17 is finally finished.
Yeah.
It looks magnificent, well done.
Mummy, look, a periscope.
We're so proud of this team.
I never thought we'd get this thing done. Looks incredible. Worth every drop of sweat. We did good.
All lines clear. Engaging ahead. Looking good, R17. Proceeding with the launch.